Hello everyone! If your sweater has a tear in the sleeve, don't rush to throw it away. A small tear doesn't mean the sweater is no longer wearable. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a damaged sweater into a completely new piece with a fresh look that feels intentional and stylish. Let's take a look. First, lay the sweater flat on the table and smooth it out with your hands. We are going to start with the sleeves. Take your scissors and carefully cut off one sleeve right at the shoulder seam. Try to cut slowly and evenly so the edge looks neat. Once the first sleeve is removed, we will do the same thing with the other sleeve and cut it off as well. Now we have two clean sleeve openings. At the raw cut edge, fold the fabric inward to hide the cut edge inside. This will make the sweater look cleaner and more finished. Use pins to hold the folded edge in place. Take your time here and make sure the fold is even all the way around. Next, choose a thread that matches the color of the sweater. This will help the stitches blend in nicely. We are going to sew along this folded edge to secure it and create a clean arm opening. You can use a simple running stitch or a back stitch by sewing one step forward and one step back. This will make the seam stronger and last longer. Sew slowly and keep your stitches neat and even. While you are sewing, how are you feeling today? Sewing can be very relaxing, especially when we do it at a comfortable pace. By the way, where are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below and tell us your country or region. We would love to know and connect with you. Once you finish sewing the right side, tie a small knot on the inside and cut off the extra thread. Now move on to the left side and repeat the same steps. Fold the cut edge inward, pin it in place, and sew carefully to create a new arm opening. When you finish sewing all the way around, tie the thread securely and trim off the excess. At this point, we already have a brand new vest-style sweater. It looks neat and simple, and it is already very wearable. Now we will take the sleeves we cut off earlier and use them for the next step. Lay one sleeve piece against the body of the sweater to measure the size. Use your scissors to cut away any extra fabric that you do not need. Then open the sleeve piece so it becomes a flat piece of knit fabric. Place this fabric near the bottom of the sweater close to the hem. This will become a pocket. Fold the raw edges inward on all sides to hide the cut edges and shape the pocket nicely. Pin it in place on the sweater body. Use a needle and thread to sew the pocket onto the sweater. Sew along the sides and bottom, leaving the top open. What kind of stitch do you usually use for everyday sewing like this? Please share your favorite stitch in the comments so we can learn from each other. As you sew, adjust the fabric edges gently so they stay flat and even. This will prevent wrinkles and help the pocket look neat. When you finish sewing the pocket, tie a small knot on the inside of the sweater and cut off the extra thread. Now the first pocket is complete. It is perfect for holding small items or for keeping your hands warm during winter. Next, take the remaining sleeve piece and repeat the same steps to create a second pocket on the opposite side. When finished, you will have 2 pockets, one on each side. Now the sweater is fully complete. We have a warm knitted vest with 2 small pockets. You can wear it over a shirt to create a more stylish look. From an old damaged sweater that might have been thrown away, we have created a brand new design. This is a wonderful way to save money and reduce waste while enjoying the joy of sewing. And that is the end of today's sewing project. Thank you so much for watching and sewing along with me. I hope this simple idea helped you see old clothes in a new way and enjoy creating something useful again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future sewing tips and easy projects. You can also leave a comment below to tell us where you are watching from. Take care, stay warm, and I will see you in the next video. Happy sewing!